Would you like to earn extra income and don't know how? TikTok is the place to go. Let me explain how it goes. You go to your creator portal on TikTok, create a page if you don't have one. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get paid for your creativity in the TikTok creator marketplace. It's going to give you the guidelines: be at least 18 years of older, have 10,000 real followers, posted 3 videos in the last 30 days, 1,000 real views, and following guidelines. Check eligibility to make sure you're able to see if you're eligible. Next, you have live subscriptions. What that is you go live every single day. And when you get your following up, people start to pay you for more engagement. They start to pay you to be more personal with them. Another thing you can do is get rewarded for your quality content on TikTok. That's right. You just get paid for posting videos. All you have to do is have 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and be 18 years of age. That is literally it. Now, this is my favorite. My favorite is the TikTok shop. What I like about the TikTok shop is you can purchase deodorant, you can get free samples, you can get books and all you have to do is give a review. And if people buy from your showcase, then you will earn a commission from that. That is literally it. You can model clothes, wigs, and everything else on there. If you like this content, comment below.